Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a project to a QuickBooks invoice, step by step. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or have been using it for a while, this simple trick will make your invoicing and project management a lot smoother. Let's dive in. First, head over to QuickBooks Online. If you're not logged in yet, click the Sign In button at the top right, enter your email and password, and you're in. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a reset option right there. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Projects tab. This is where QuickBooks helps you organize all your client work. Click on it and then select New Project. This will open a form where you can start setting up the project you want to attach to an invoice. Start by giving your project a descriptive name, something that makes it easy for both you and your client to track. Next, add your customer's details if they're already in QuickBooks. It will autofill for you, which saves time. Otherwise, just enter their information manually. After that, fill in the rest of the project details. This could be anything relevant: due dates, notes, or special instructions. Make sure everything is complete and accurate to avoid confusion later. When you're happy with all the details, simply click Save and your project is officially added. Now, when you create invoices for that customer, you can easily include the project details, keeping everything organized and professional, and that's it. With these simple steps, you can streamline your invoicing, manage projects efficiently, and keep your QuickBooks tidy. If you have questions or want more tips, check out QuickBooks support resources or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.